Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sorento wiper blades step by step. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself. First, gather your new wiper blades, a soft towel, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your new blades are the correct size. Typically, the driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger side is 16 or 18 inches. Park your vehicle safely and turn off the engine before you begin. Now, let's remove the old blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. It's a good idea to place a soft towel on your windshield to protect it in case the arm accidentally springs back. Next, find the small tab or clip where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the arm's hook. Repeat this for both front wipers. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. First, take off any plastic protective covers from the rubber edge of your new wiper blade. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest flat against the glass. After installing both front wiper blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your vehicle and use the windshield washer fluid to activate the wipers. Observe their performance. They should wipe smoothly and quietly, clearing the glass without leaving any streaks or missed spots. For optimal performance and to extend their lifespan, remember to regularly clean your wiper blades with a damp cloth. This simple maintenance ensures clear visibility and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.